Hello everyone. In this short tutorial, I tried to show you how to use the Revolve and RailRevolve command, which is a very useful tool for making different type of surfaces in different shapes. I hope you will enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. In this video, we are going to make a random DOM with Revolve command and combine them with a few more commands to easily draw a DOM and add the details to it with the fastest and the easiest way possible. So for the beginning, I've downloaded a random image from Shutterstock to find out how we can work with the revolve command. I import the image, put it in the center of our design, and make a new layer. Change the layer, and maybe you can change the color, then lock the layer. Then we're going to start to drawing. At first, I need access. I put the axis in a different place, relocate the image, have the curve in front of the image, change the color of the curve to make it easier for my eyes. Going to the front view, lock the axis line, and then start drawing. It's really important to know how to handle control points. If you can handle those points easily, you can find the outline, combining with the third degree and 1 degree curves, and then join them and using the fillet curve especially. Then I will add another curve, another for here. I turn on the control points. As you see, it doesn't matter if you have a mistake. You can fast and easy with control points or the command like trim or split. You can solve that issue. Then I'm going to join them together. But for some problems, I'm going to add some distance here, just a little bit. Then I'm going to the perspective, then I'm run the revolve command. Revolve command ask for select curves to revolve. I'm selecting the curve, right click. The command is asking for the axis. I have the axis. The start angle is 0 space. Then the revolution angle, which is 360-degree, space again. And then our film is ready. Now I can add details. For the details, I'm going to the front view again, and then I'm trying to make this shape. I select the point, use the set point, then make a mirror, then another curve. We use the control points to find out the shape, join them, and then select last object, bring it to the front, make sure it will not touch the top part. And I will add another line here, join them, and I will put it on the surface with the pull command. Then I can use the array polar around the 0 with, for example, 10 times. Copy. I will go to shut down the axis and the image layer. Then I use trim or split to make it plain. In this case, I used trim. Then we have a DOM very fast. And you can also add more details if you want. For example, I can come in this part, add a sphere, relocate it as I want. Then I can use the page edit bounding box, change the shape. Then again, use the array polar with the maybe 100 times. Select last, and then we have our DOM. Then I have to add the thickness. I'm going for a thickness. Now our DOM is ready. You can see how easy it is to use the revolve for these type of shapes. If you want to make something else, for example, let's imagine a glass of wine. Again, I need the axis. I brought the axis back. Then from 0, I draw a line like this. Rebuild with 4 points. Add a little bit angle. Set point this one. And put it back as it was. Again, a little distance here. And I'm going to make the bottom part of this glass. I want to add some taste to it. And I'm going for the top part of the glass. If you want, you can add some fillet. Add a little distance here as well. Then you can work on this shape. Then I use the join. Again, I'm going for the revolve command, select the curves to revolve. And now we have a glass of wine, but it's a very classic one. Then you can use the history to change the shapes if you don't like it. Or you can make it like this. Or you can add some crazy shapes also. If you pass the thickness, you have to be in front view to see the details in the wireframe. Let's make it like this. I'm just trying to improvise. It's easy as it is, as you see. Revolve is a very useful command for these type of shapes, but if you want to go more crazy, have more details, or have more control, you need the rail revolve command. Let's undo whatever I have done, remove it, and now let's add the rail to it. I'll draw a circle, put it here, and doing the explode. I remove the bottom part. Now I rebuild this curve to, for example, 12 points. Now I'm going to add a little pinch to this part. Now let's use the rail revolve. Just follow the instruction of the command, which is that select profile curve. Okay, this is our profile curve. Oh, I have to join it. I forgot after exploding. I forgot to join. Again, we are going for the rail revolve. Following the instructions, select profile curve. Then it asks select the rail curve, which is in this case is the hinged circle. Then we are going for the axis. And now you have a crazy glass of wine. If you have use it on this side, if you use it on this one, you will face with some serious problems during the drinking the wine. After that, you can use the cap to close it, and your glass of wine is ready. So it was a very short video to explain how the commands in Rhino are useful and how you can use them. You can write in the comment below and tell me what is your idea, what else we can do with this command, and what you have done before with this command. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos.